to create a vertical image like this that you can use for Pinterest, here's what you need to do. Inside ChatGPT, be clear on what you want your image to look like. If you could see the prompt that I am writing, the thoughts are well organized and the instructions that I am giving ChatGPT is clear and understandable. You need to remember that your prompt is the most important thing you need when creating images in ChatGPT because when you have no prompt, you will have no images, and a poor written prompt will lead to poor quality images. Let's go back to our prompt. I instructed ChatGPT to create a vertical image of a girl wearing trendy outfits. Now, let's see what ChatGPT will create. Let me just click on this. You can see how well our prompt was followed. That's the magic of ChatGPT. Alright, so now you know how to create an image like this. Watch this playlist to get more image prompt ideas.